Parliament descended into chaos on Thursday night as a heated debate over maternal health took an unexpected turn, with the reports that a ZANU-PF MP may have been under the influence of alcohol. Sanabina Mashkobdani watching the drunk ZANU-PF MP causes havoc in Parliament. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipna unamubdani kwa mchinsi. The incident particularly upset Kwekwe legislator Judith Tobaiwa Tripusi after her mother was mentioned during proceedings. The House was sitting late into the night reviewing the finance bill when tensions flared. Tobaiwa was advocating for increased funding for maternal health, arguing that current allocations were inadequate. She said, "I think regarding maternal health, why can't we have a standalone budget for it? We have a free maternal health, which doesn't exist, and then our mothers face challenges in giving birth due to these issues." While she was speaking, a ZANU-PF MP interrupted, making a personal remark about a mother that immediately drew outrage. In quotes, "You cannot bring my mother into this discussion. My mother is not in Parliament, and if you have an issue, you can confront me, not my mother. That is wrong," Tobaiwa responded firmly. The comment sparked uproar among MPs, with calls for an apology and suggestion that breath layers be used, as some members appeared intoxicated. Several legislators condemned the conduct, pointing out that the treatment of women in the chamber was unacceptable. The acting speaker stepped in, visibly frustrated, reminding the House that while all members are adults, certain remarks crossed the lines. Domashwanbuda pangwa ine uchonkonza ewa ZANU-PF MP pangwa ine onekwa kunzi aiwanika ngari under the influence of drugs. Chitiko pangwa ine chanyaso kuuya vanhu vakakundema vakashora kuti what kind yekuti a ZANU-PF member of parliament anopinda in the house aiwa ari under the influence of alcohol. Pina kuma section medu unza funguro imo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.